Vivo has launched the X100 Ultra smartphone in China yesterday. It stands out thanks to a 200MP 3.7x periscope camera, with the company claiming good image quality at up to 20x. The company said there were currently no plans for a global launch. Currently, there are no plans to launch the X100 Ultra outside of mainland China, a representative told us. So you'll have to import the device if you really want it. We first heard rumors about a Vivo phone with a 200MP telephoto camera almost a year ago. Well, the wait is finally over, as the Chinese manufacturer has officially launched the vivo X100 Ultra. The new smartphone is all about the camera system, and that 200MP 3.7x telephoto camera f2.67 1.4-inch HP9 is the main attraction here. This is the most megapixels we've seen in a telephoto camera, and Vivo reckons it can offer good image quality at up to 20x. The company adds this camera packs SEPA 4.5 stabilization too. Vivo's phone also packs a so-called Telephoto Stage feature for concerts. This feature offers improved 10x to 30x output, improved video quality via the V3 Plus imaging chip, and improved audio. It's unclear whether this is a specific mode or if it automatically kicks in like the X100 Pro telephoto sunshot option. In any event, this tele lens also supports macro mode up to 20x as well as higher resolution portraits. The rest of the camera setup isn't anything to scoff at either. Expect a 50MP YT9 1-inch main camera with improved stabilization over previous models. Meanwhile, a 50MP YT6 ultra-wide camera handles wider shots. All three rear shooters pack the ZEISS T asterisk coating for reducing glare. Look at the front and you'll find a 50MP camera for selfies and video calls. Other notable X100 Ultra camera features include 4K cinematic portrait video in line with the Pro model, 4K 1:0 FPS slow-mo video, 4K 60fps Dolby Vision video, a new monochrome color profile, 3D photo and video capture, and underwater photography. When it comes to the latter, Vivo claims that the phone cameras are optimized to address underwater challenges like green hues and murkiness as silt. The manufacturer also says you can go shooting underwater down to 40 meters, 131 feet with the aid of a third-party diving case. The vivo X100 Ultra delivers in other categories too. Expect a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, a 6.78-inch 120Hz old screen QHD Samsung E7, a 5500 mAh battery, 80 West wired charging, and 30 West wireless charging. Vivo's phone also packs an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor from Goodix, IP69 and IP68 ratings, Mac support including photo, document transfers, and a long-range Wi-Fi mode that's apparently able to maintain stable connections at up to 150 meters away. Expect to pay 6,499 yuan tilde $898 for the 12GB, 256GB model, while the 16GB, 512GB model will set you back 7,299 yuan tilde $1,009. Want the 16GB, 1TB model? Then you'll need to pay 7,999 tilde $1,106.